Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Omishakane, and I'm also saying welcome to the first edition of the tips and tricks you need to know about your mobile phone. I'm actually going to mention 5 things you need to set on those settings, and you need to know it. Okay, now the first thing is battery. Let me go to my battery lab. Okay, I know you know a lot about your battery, but I just want to talk about the basic things you are meant to set up on your battery. So let me go to my AI Smart Power Saving. Now, what this does is it automatically turns on your airplane mode, and when your airplane mode is turned on, everything on your phone is switched off. Everything on your phone is switched off, so you can actually leverage this by automating it. My start time is 12 o'clock while my end time is 3 o'clock p.m. That means during this time I don't use my phone, so I have to make sure it is on screen mode. That is the time I do sleep. I do sleep during this time, so I have to make sure my phone is turned off. No message, nothing can come inside. All right, so the next one is your professional settings. I know you know a lot about your power reminder. That one, mine is 50%. Actually set it up to 20%, but you can do that on your own. Okay, so screen off push block. What this actually does is avoid the app messages frequently waking up the screen. Okay, now like on your audio mark now, there are some adverts. When your data is turned on, you have some adverts that you don't want to receive, and when you lock your phone, once the adverts start coming in, your phone is going to be on it, and it's going to be probably you are reading or something. You will think it's a good message. You won't know it is just a mediocre stuff. So you have to be careful, and you can actually leverage on this for you to protect yourself from all those kind of distractions from side attractions. You can turn this on. Okay, the next one is your screen off sleep. 5 minutes after the screen off, shut down the background app. Actually, what this does is, let me show you an example. Now my Twitter is running in my background, my Instagram account is running in my background. So once I turn this on, immediately I switch off my phone. Immediately I press the lock button. After 5 minutes, all those apps will be shut down. Even if my data is on, all those apps will be shut down. That is, I won't receive any message from WhatsApp, any message from any of my social media accounts. I won't receive anything. So you have to turn this on. It's very important. Okay, the next one is your screen off. Okay, avoid the apps being frequently woke up under standby mode. Actually, what standby mode means is that when your phone is on and you're not using it for anything, this actually protects your phone for that. All right, so the number 2 thing I want to mention is your Android data roaming. That one is very, very important because it costs a lot. It costs money, and the money is in form of data. It's a form of data. Go to your mobile network. This roaming, once it is turned on, it requires additional charges. Let me prove it to you. Can you see? You may incur significant charges. That is, you have to make sure this is turned off. Okay, the number 3 things I want to mention is your data saver. All right, so Android has made it very easy. Can you see your data saver? Let me go to my data saver. Okay, what this does is 0 apps allowed to use unrestricted data, and when data saver is on. All right, so all these apps now, they are unrestricted to my data. Even when my data is on, none of them can work. So you have to make sure this is turned on your mobile phone. I've restricted all this from even my let me show you my social media account. I restricted everything. So if my data is turned on, probably if I didn't click on WhatsApp won't use my data. If I didn't click on any of these things, if I didn't click on YouTube won't use my data. So it is very important you do this. You make sure your data saver is always on. And please, when you are using your phone hotspot, make sure your data saver is off. Please make sure it is off. And once you are done with your hotspot, make sure you turn it on back. Thank you. All right, the number 4 thing I want to mention is your smart lock. Okay, where you are going to get this is your security. Once you get your security, you can come down here, smart lock. All right, let me open my phone. Okay, so the first thing here is on body detection. What this actually talks about is keep your device on lock while it is on you. That means when you are where you are, if your phone is there, it will be unlocked for that. It will be unlocked for that moment. All right, trusted places, add location where device should be unlocked. You can add any location, probably where you used to go, where you are always, like your home, your office. If your phone is there, your phone will be unlocked. All right, so trusted device, and this one is actually the best. Yes, it's the best thing for you to use, because it's either you are using your wristwatch, your wristwatch, your car Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is your wristwatch is a wireless wristwatch. Anything that is using Bluetooth, you can actually connect your smart lock to it, and it's going to make sure your phone is unlocked while it is with you. All right, the last one I want to talk about is screen pinning. Okay, let me search for it here. Screen pinning. All right, so what this screen pinning does is let me go to overview. Now, can you see? You will see a padlock over here. Let me click on it. A small padlock is I've unlocked it. I unlocked that, and I unlocked this one. Okay, let me lock it back. Can you see it's locked? It's locked. Okay, what is locked on my phone, that is actually what it can minimize. If you open any other app on my phone, it's not going to open, it's not going to be minimized. So I think you can use this. Maybe probably you want to give a friend your phone or give someone your phone. It actually serves as privacy to your phone. Okay, this is where I will be bringing the curtain down in this edition. Click on the notification bell for the next edition, because I'm going to be dropping the remaining 5, because I'm talking about 10. I'm going to be talking about the remaining 5. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and thanks for the subs. For those that have subscribed, I really want to say thank you to you lot. I really do appreciate you for watching this video, and if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends, because this live is not only about you. Don't enjoy this alone. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Drop it in the comment box. I'm going to reply to you ASAP. I got you covered. But the most important thing I would like you to do for me is to subscribe. Please hit on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell to get notified when I drop an impactful video, because I'm going to drop the part 2 of this video. I'm going to drop it. Thanks for watching this video once again, and don't forget to subscribe. You're welcome.